Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Portfolio Update. We're having a green day in the cryptocurrency markets today, but we've been having a red week, we've been having a red month. In the previous update, the portfolio was worth $145,000. Right now, we're seeing a lot of huge FUD in the cryptocurrency market. We're seeing stablecoins dump to gobbling town. The portfolio is worth around $144,000. In this video, we'll be taking a look at major changes that we're going to be making to the portfolio in the coming weeks. Bitcoin is still trading above $22,500, but Bitcoin dropped to as low as $19,500. What impact would that have for Bitcoin and the total crypto market in the coming days and the coming months? And we're seeing a lot of bad news come around. Insolvency fears led many to turn to other stable coins and sell USDC at major discounts. We'll be talking about that. What impact will that have to our portfolio in the coming days as we hold over $60,000 worth of USDC? Should we start selling our USDC into other stable coins? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, our model portfolio is trading around $143,000. This portfolio was worth around $100,000 in November of 2022. But slowly but surely, we stay 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen the portfolio rally up to higher prices, even getting to an all-time high of $157,000. But since February, we have been dumping to gobbling town slowly but surely. We even saw the portfolio got to as low as $133,000 on the 12th of March 2023. But over the weekend, we saw huge dips in stable coins, and right now we are seeing huge bounce in the altcoin market. Bitcoin has had a 9% bounce in the last 24 hours. So is this just a dead cat bounce? Should we be selling some of our portfolio into stable coins? Should we even be diversifying off USDC and buy other stable coins? Because guys, right now, a lot of FUD going around in the market involves USDC stable coins. And guys, we have over $60,000 worth of that stable coins in these portfolios. So that should consign us. Insolvency fears led many to turn to other stable coins, sell USDC at a major discount. Several USDC holders have fled to other stable coins amidst fears surrounding its insolvency. And over the weekend, we saw USDC stable coins go to as low as 88 cents. And USDC is a stable coin, and we buy it instead of the US dollar, and one USDC is supposed to support $1. But over the weekend, we saw this value drop to 0.85 cents to a dollar. We saw the portfolio go to gobbling town, but as usual, we didn't panic, expecting everything to go back to normal. A lot of people just saw the news report and started panicking. And right now, we're seeing USDC bounce back towards $1 after Fed's announcement. Positive development concerning cycle $3.3 billion worth of reserve held at Silicon Valley banks and its new banking partners have seen USDC climb back towards its $1 peg. So good news there, but we're still going to be diversifying away from USDC. It's better to be safe than to be sorry. We are going to be going into USD Theta. We're going to have at least 30% of our stable coins in USD Theta. We're going to sell over $30,000 worth of USDC. Let's just sell $31,000 so that we can buy USD Theta. Guys, right now, the market is in a very precarious situation. Right now, we might still see us further dumping back to gobbling town. So it should only be safe for us to take some safety measures. Deep in the crypto bear market, crazier things can happen. Bitcoin has gone back above $22,500. We have seen Bitcoin drop to as low as $19,500 as we've started this dump, and that signifies Bitcoin dropping to a new lower low. As Bitcoin has had a bounce towards $23,000, we're seeing the altcoin market follow Bitcoin back bouncing up. But guys, let's not get carried away by this bounce. We're only pumping on a daily time frame. We've got a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. We're down in gobbling town. Ethereum also has been ranging We have seen Ethereum ranging since the 15th of January 2023. Ethereum has gone from $1,700 and even gone to as low as $1,300. We're still stuck in that range. If we see Bitcoin going below $19,500, that might spell chaos for the altcoin market. We might just see the altcoin market going below $362 billion. We've seen the altcoin market even jump to as low as $332 billion over the weekend. But as we have seen a huge bounce in the cryptocurrency market, the altcoin market rose to around $370 billion. A lot of altcoins we have in the portfolio are registering double-digit gains in the last 24 hours. That's good to see, but our portfolio is still far away off its all-time high. Portfolio consists of different allocations. Right now, Bitcoin is 23% of the portfolio. We have USDC, a stable coin, worth 19.99% of the portfolio, and we have USD Theta, worth 21% of the portfolio. Guys, we might still be taking more USDC and buying some BUSD, maybe like $14,000. We want to spread our risks across different stable coins in the market. Over the last weekend, we saw a lot of stable coins losing their peg. It will make sense to have at least 3 different stable coins that have good reputations in the market than piling it up in one stable coin that might go boost if any strange things happens. And Bitcoin is worth 23% in the portfolio. Ethereum is worth 13%. Bitcoin and Ethereum is worth over 37% in the portfolio. And all coins make up 21% in the portfolio. Our total portfolio profit is still around $41,000. Our all-time profit is 16%. Our best performer is still Bitcoin. Bitcoin has given us over $10,000 worth of profit. And our worst performer has been Sushi. We're down 32% on our Sushi position. We're down $813. If you take a look at huge gainers and huge losers in the portfolio, in the previous update, almost all the coins were in huge profits. Right now, Ethereum Classic has slipped into some losses. Corel has slipped into some losses. Bitcoin Cash has slipped into some losses. And stablecoin USDC, we're still down around $500. SushiSwap is one of our huge losers. It's down $813, down 32% on our purchase. But in the plus section, Ethereum has given us $9,000, Fetch.ai $5,000, Velodrome Finance $3,000, Ocean Protocol $2,400, and the Graph has given us about $2,000 in the portfolio. We're going to be accumulating a lot of altcoins in the coming days and the coming weeks. We just want to see the crypto market dumping back to gobbling town. We didn't buy any altcoin when we saw it dumping over the weekend. We're waiting for things to settle down. Guys, when the market is dumping, you don't want to be catching a falling knife. You want that knife to fall down before you pick it up. And so we'll be doing heavy accumulation in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you take a look at sentiments in the market, there's still a lot of decisions to be made by the bulls and the bears. Are we going to start pumping towards greed as we're seeing the Fed intervene? We're seeing the US Treasury saying they are working on SVB to create an environment where a lot of these banks are going to have funds so that we'll not see them collapse just like it did in 2008. But the US Treasury Secretary is telling us that they are not working on a bailout for the whole industry, that regulators are only working to address Silicon Valley Bank's collapse, but not considering a major bailout. So the cryptocurrency market is still in limbo, where we're going to be heading in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Total crypto market cap went pumped above $1 trillion, but right now we are seeing it struggle to hold that $1 trillion mark, currently trading around $996 billion. We saw the total crypto market cap drop to as low as $873 billion. There's always a possibility that at some point in time in this bear market, we might see the total crypto market cap go to as low as $820 billion. But in the coming days, in the coming weeks, we might see Bitcoin dumping to gobbling town, but I strongly believe the bottom is in, so we might not see Bitcoin head back to $15,000. Maybe we'll see Bitcoin trading around $18,000, but there's a lot of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. A lot of people are selling their stable coins. A lot of people are getting out of the market. That's what you expect when we're deep in the crypto bear market. But guys, long-term investors are still accumulating. Long-term investors are still getting ready for the next crypto bull run. And on this channel, we're going to be accumulating more altcoins in the coming days and in the coming weeks. We're waiting for the dust to settle. Even though all coins are having a pump to the upside, you can see from the total portfolio that that pump is nothing to write home about. as we still have further more to go if we are to go back to the highs where we got to in February of 2023. Our total portfolio right now is around $144,000. We saw it drop to as low as $133,000. The all-time high for this portfolio came in February, where it got to as high as $157,000. We have over $60,000 worth of stable coins in the portfolio. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which altcoins do you want us to add to the portfolio? Should we go heavy on Bitcoin and Ethereum, or should we go hard on all coins as we continue accumulating? Remember guys, we're not going to go all in. That's one mistake we want to avoid in the bear market. We're going to be dollar cost averaging into our position in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2, 3.